What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card and nano memory card on your Huawei P40 Pro, P40 Pro Plus or Huawei P40 smartphones. So let's start it. So P40 Pro comes with a nano SIM card slot and also a nano memory card slot. You can either use the eSIM feature or two SIM cards or one SIM card and one nano memory card. So here I got a nano SIM card, nano memory card, and this is the SIM card tray ejector pin that we need to open the SIM card slot. So first of all, if your device is not switched off, then switch it off first. After that, you need to use this SIM card tray ejector pin. You have to put this pin in this tiny hole of the SIM card slot like this, and then apply a bit of pressure on it and the SIM card tray will pop out. Just take it out, and here you can see that it is written SIM1, and here you can use the nano memory card or the secondary SIM. So just put your SIM card in the shape of this slot like this, and on the other side you have to do the same thing for the nano memory card slot. So here it goes like this, and here we go. So here is the nano memory card and here is the SIM card. You can use another SIM card here as well instead of nano memory card. It's totally up to you. Now we have to keep this tray inside the SIM card slot. So one thing you have to keep in mind that you have to align the hole here in the slot along with the hole here on the SIM card tray. So it goes like this. So this hole and this hole are aligning. Just slide it in and we are good to go. Now switch on the P40 Pro here, and here we go. So you can see that the SIM card is detected. We are getting the signal here at the top. It's the 4G SIM, so we are getting the 4G plus signal, not the 5G one. And if we go to the settings and then go to the storage, here you can see that the memory card is detected as well. So if I tap on it, you can see this is a 128 GB of nano memory card, out of which only 30 MB is used, so it's pretty empty. You can see here. The good part is that the SIM card and the memory card, both of them are detected perfectly. So this is how you can insert the SIM card and your nano memory card on your Huawei P40 Pro, Pro Plus or the regular P40 smartphones. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.